Welcome back to Android Tutorials and our fourth part of our playlist Wallpaper app in Android Studio. And in till here we had created this wallpaper app till here where we had created the API key from the pixels in our first part, and in our second part we had created this final application where we are able to zoom in and zoom out. And in this video we are going to add the download wallpaper functionality, and we had also implemented set wallpaper functionality. So when user click on set wallpaper, it will say wallpaper set successfully, and here you can see our wallpaper. When I click on the download wallpaper, which we are going to implement in this video, so you will find that our downloaded is starting, and without any single error we will download our image in our Android application. So now our image is downloaded successfully. So when we click on that, you can see that is stored in our gallery. So when I click back and find our folder in wallpaper app, you can see that image will be stored here. So here is our image. So subscribe this channel if you enjoyed this, if you are enjoying this video, and let me start this Android tutorial. So first of all, first step will be implementation of the Dexter library in our Android Studio. So here in Android Studio I had created this I had implemented this Dexter library and sync our project to save our time. Now in Android manifest we are going to write the uses permission, and first permission will be read external storage, and after that second permission will be write external storage. After that manifest work is completed, so close that project, close that file, and now come on Gradle file and implement that library in our Gradle build.gradle. You can see that I had already implemented this in our build.gradle file. Now we are going to add the button for our download things, for downloading our things. So writing button, and after writing that button we have to write the width will be match parent content, and we are going to assign its padding. So padding will be 10 dp, and also margin and layout margin will be 5 dp. After that assign its id, and id will be download wallpaper. After this id is for designing purpose only, we are not going to use it in Java. So after that we have to write text will be download wallpaper. After that type on click will be download wallpaper. This method we are going to create in this video soon. It will generate an error, so ignore that and finish the design part. So we are going to make this above to button set wallpaper, and right here above, or sorry, below, not below but above of our download button, download wallpaper. And instead of giving its padding to the full size, we are going to give the padding, first padding will be to right and second will be at left. So padding right will be 10 dp, and with that padding left will be, padding left also will be 10 dp. So here our design part is completed. Now we are going to move to this on click method and generate this method in our project. But before that we have to close this and press Ctrl A and Ctrl Alt L to align this code. And after that click on this method and click on right red bulb and then add this download functionality into application. Sorry, in fullscreen.java. And now here we are going to start our process. So this video may be long, so be with this video. You will get the wallpaper downloaded and shown in the gallery. So first step will be download manager, Dexter library. So press Dexter dot with context or with activity this. After that we have to write with permission and write manifest dot permission dot read external storage, then write with listener, and we had not created the listener, so write new of permission listener. This will implement 3 methods. I will show you the code right now, so wait for it to implement. So after implementing it will generate much more error. Now here we have to write dot check. After closing that we have to write these 3 methods. So in third method we are going to write the permission token to ask again and again. So permission token dot continue permission request. This will continue permission request, and if user permanently denied our permission, then we are going to redirect them to the settings activity of our application. So type intent is equal to new intent. So after that we had to set action on intent. So intent dot set action, and that action will be settings dot application detail setting. So write application details setting. So that will be action application details settings. After that close that and write intent or URI, and that URI will be our package name. So type URI is equal to URI dot from parts. Here we have to write the first string pack as a schema, then get package name and pass null as a fragment, then close that and set the data in the intent. So intent dot set data and data of URI. After that close and start the activity, and that activity will be intent. So you can check this code after completing this full application. So now let's add the wallpaper to our application. Wallpaper download functionality to our application. So first, as we are creating the wallpaper app in Android Studio, so this is the fourth part. If you are enjoying this video, then please make sure you subscribe this channel. So now here is what if permission is granted. So if permission is granted, then we are going to get instance from the download manager. So write and then cast it. So download manager, then type get system service, then type context dot download service. After that we are going to make one URI, and that URI will press our string what we have to download. So type URI dot phrase original URL. Now if you are watching our all three parts of our playlist wallpaper app in Android Studio, then you will know that we have created this original URL as a string and pass our image into it. So we are going to download that image. Then we are adding the download manager request. So download manager dot request, and then request new download manager dot request and pass the URI of URI. Then close that and write request dot set notification visibility, and then write download manager dot request dot notify completed. So this visibility visible notify completed. So when our download is completed, then we will see this thing. Now we are going to make download manager to enqueue our request. So download manager dot not that new download manager but our download manager object dot enqueue this request. After that close this, and this will already download the image, but that image will not shown in our application. So here our first step is to add that in our folder. So we are going to create the string and give subpath as a name. I will tell you why we are creating this string. And now here type whatever folder name that you have to create in your user's device. So here I am creating wallpaper app. So you can see that we have created that folder in our photos. So after that we are going to add this slash to make it a folder, and after that we have to write system dot current times in milli, and then add dot png or jpg, whatever you have to write. After that close that, and now here we are going to request dot set destination in external public directory. After that we have to write the environment dot, you will find all the folders that usually you see in your device. So here our first name is in our pictures folder, we have to create this folder. So after that pass the subpath. I think now you understand why we have created this. So this will save the image in our pictures directory by creating the folder of our wallpaper app. After that we are going to show that folder into our gallery. So for that we have to create new intent. So new intent and type intent dot action media scanner scan file. So this basically allows device to sync the data from our given folder. So first of all we are going to create the URI. So our first URI will be URI1 is equal to, then pass our subdirectory. So URI dot phrase sub path. So this will sync our wallpaper app, so a wallpaper app folder from our internal storage. After that we are going to start our activity, or first set the data to the intent. So intent dot set data, and here we have to set the URI 1. Our URI is set on this intent. After that we have to start our activity. So start activity of intent. Now this will be in the back end. So what in the front end, so what we can see. So to see something changes, that user can understand that basically if user will get notified then it will okay, but let's show toast to the user. So create a toast, and then in text you have to write download or whatever you have to write. So downloading wallpaper started. So this toast is created. So now we had completed this Android tutorials of part 4 wallpaper app in Android Studio. If you had enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching Android tutorials. I am not running this app as I had already shown you after that implementation. Thanks for watching.